In this video of our SEO course, today we're going to learn all about image optimization. And it is called by a few different names also, like image alt tag or alt text, okay? So what is its purpose? See, as we do SEO for text and our website go on rankings, similarly images also rank on Google. So this is also called image SEO. As I said, it goes by a few different names, okay? So first I'll explain this concept. What exactly is it? And after that we'll learn how to do it practically, how you can actually perform image optimization or image SEO step by step, okay? This is a key part of on-page SEO, so learn this properly, okay? So friends, look here. As you can see on my screen, first I'll show you an example. See, I'm on Google and I've typed marketing. Let's say a user searches Marketing Fundas, okay? Suppose they want info about the company. Searched for it. Now when they search, you'll see an images option here. So I'm clicking images right here. As soon as I click images, you can see the Marketing Fundas logo, old, new, so many images, tons of videos. Look, all this stuff, all these things pop up just by typing Marketing Fundas. Okay? This is not randomly. Because Google as search engine doesn't actually read images directly. It doesn't know anything about the picture shown. So for that purpose, we have to give names to the image like alt tag and place it correctly. So this is what we call image SEO, because this is also getting ranks in search results, right? Now, before we get into how to actually do this particular thing, I want to tell you one more important thing. Look, there's a key reason why we do image optimization, okay? So students, first of all, if we are adding images to our website, so that really improves user experience on our web pages. Because think about it, if a page is just full of the entire text, so the user might get bored and even leave your page. But on that same page, if you have good relevant images related to your content, and that too high quality images, then the user is more likely to engage in your content and spend more time on your website. That's great for SEO too, okay? It's good for users and good in every way, right? Now, if we put images on the pages, and if those images aren't made lightweight or if they are not of high quality, so if we upload heavy images, the page will take long to load and loading time goes up. This is terrible for SEO if the page is too slow to load. So in this case, those images should be made absolutely lightweight. We have to maintain their quality. Then when we add proper image tags and all that stuff, so they start ranking through image SEO. And this is how in image SEO we must pay attention to several things like making images lightweight, naming them correctly and adding alt tags. And also place the right and high quality images with the right content, okay? Only then can we do proper SEO friendly on-page optimization. Now let's understand how we actually do this. Let's start. Look at this. Now for example, you can see our website on which we are teaching you SEO. Okay, so we've created this separate website specifically for teaching you guys. So here I had created a blog post earlier. You can consider it a page or blog post. So here's that page now. As you can see, I've put all the text here. Now I need an image that's related to this text. So what did I do? Look, you can see it here. There's an option of featured image below. I'm going to click there, okay? I'll go to select file. Let's consider an image from downloads, because right now as such I don't have anything like that. So I'll grab any image and use it for now. So let's take this image here. So the image is uploaded here now. But students, now you can see here there is a box, an option for alt text. Here in alt text I'll give it a name, for example MF, which means Marketing Fundas. So, or let's write Marketing Fundas, okay? Marketing Fundas. YouTube banner. Just given it a name. Given a name and provided alt text here. No need to put caption, title or description. We've given its name as alt text and set it. Understood? And we have tagged this particular thing from an SEO point of view in a proper way. And right at this point, let's update this once. Everything. Okay, so friends, now that we have updated this, so right here, this page that I have created, it's a dummy page for demo, and the image has appeared. And remember, I showed you adding h1 and h2 tags before. Is that showing up? So as you can see, in this way we have a rough page set up, and I've added an image to it. And that image, I've added the alt tag and everything to it. So my dear friends, remember, whenever you upload an image, this is how you can crop it, this is how you can change its size, and you can also give it a proper name using the alt text. So by doing all this, you can create an SEO friendly website, okay? And in which you will pay attention to all these little details that I'm teaching you. So now you've learned adding alt tags and why they are so important, right? So friends, thank you for watching this video.